All right, all right, all right, all right. Okay. Um, Black Knight's Fortress. I don't know why I was gonna say Dark Knight's Fortress. I can imagine it being Dark Knight's Fortress. I do have to check my bank for 2 seconds. I could probably put my wolf bane away. Come on, guy. Let's 87, 64, 42, 111, and 60, 11 Z's. I probably don't need to carry wolf bane right now. I think we're good. Yes. Yeah, I've done Black Knight's Fortress. I know I need a cabbage, so I will not pretend like I don't know that. But, or I think this is an issue, so I'm just gonna go. Alright. Come on. Stop misclicking. Stop glitchy. Right. So yeah, Black Knight's Fortress. I love how every time I play, I generally just forget whatever voice I gave it. Huge. Oh my gosh, I don't know. My eyes are not working. Huge kilo. UJ kilo. Hold on. I think I gotta close one of my curtains. Growing up, I swear the Barbarian theme was one of like my all-time favorite themes. I think I even like made my account so it just played that song most of the time. Because you can pick songs. I think it was that song at least. I know you could pick what song was playing. Alright. Alright. Okay. And so what's funny is that I am doing all of this. Okay, I'm doing all of this. Whoa. Don't you start auto-retaliating over here. You get out of here, man. Okay. What's funny is... What's funny is that I'm doing all of this to literally do more carpentry work. And I know it seems crazy. I know it seems like a crazy, like, quest, like, order. But I swear to you, this is all in the goal of doing more carpentry work. Even though I can totally see why that would be confusing. Dude, are all these guys gonna attack me? Oh my gosh, dude, what the heck? It's just not very nice, you know what I'm saying? Like, oh my gosh, I don't remember them attacking this much. Dude. We're in defense mode, we're not man. That's gonna be the thing I messed up on is what I brought for that. Okay, so I go down the ladder. Go down the ladder. Okay, I have 1 second to think. In, up. Gosh, what the heck, guys? Okay, we're going right there. You go here, which means you go here. I could go in and up. Oh, that's down. Yeah, I can go over and down. Oh, there's the grate. Nice. We got the grate. Hold on, give me a sec. I gotta. So, how's the secret weapon coming along? The invincibility potion is almost ready. It's taken me 5 years, but it's almost ready. Greldo the Goblin here is just going to fetch the last ingredient for me. It's a specially grown cabbage grown by my cousin Helda, who lives in Torenor Manor. The soil there is slightly magical and gives the cabbage slight magical properties. Not to mention the trees. Oh god, I love trees. Now remember, Greldo, only a Torenor Manor cabbage will do. Don't get lazy and bring any old cabbage. That would entirely wreck the potion. Okay, here's a question. What if I got a Draenor Manor cabbage? Yes, Miss Swift. Like, how crazy would it be if I got the Draenor Manor cabbage? Would it still blow up? That's the question. I'm not doing that now, but what if I did? Oh, I didn't think this one through. Okay, we're up. We're over. Damn it! Damn it! Okay. We're up. We're over. We're over. We're up. We're down. Okay. We're down. Yeah, we just have to go up this ladder right here, right? Down. Or is this door locked for some reason? No, I don't see another way in, so... Out. I would go there if I were you. Oh no! Okay, so... It's funny that I'm quote-unquote in uniform, and yet they're still attacking me. Is there another way in? Am I dumb? Can I trap this guy? He's the only guy attacking me. He's the only guy I need to avoid. Jerk. Okay. Dr. Fortress. Hilarious. Okay. Can I distract this guy? That's the question. Are you saying he's too dumb to go around a corner? Is that what you're trying to tell me right now? They're like, oh. I don't understand. He like actually can't make this corner? And then he just walks away. Okay, there's at least a guy in the way right now. Oh, no. You were supposed to be in my way. Two guys in the way? Okay. Go for it. Can't get the dialogue. I don't remember. He says I wouldn't go in there, but I like need. I don't remember how to get in there. That's the problem. Nope. We're gonna arrive for you. Those black knights are important to me. They said to kill it. Okay, I won't. I don't care. I'm going in anyways. Thank you. Okay, cool. I literally need the dialogue to activate. That's crazy. Alright. Alright. That was way more work than it's ever been. For such a stupid reason. Oh, I can just like... I hate myself. I hate myself so much. Well, you know what are you gonna do? You know what I'm saying, man? What are you gonna do? You can lead a drink to a horse, but you can't make it cabbage. You know what I'm saying? God. Sorry, guy. I don't got time for your shit right now. And I gotta save my stamina for that stupid maneuver again. Alright, 1 cabbage. God. Stupid left clicking. Stupid left clicking piece of shit. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I should theoretically be able to spam through that dialogue message to get in, but oh my gosh. So I think what's funny is that the guy at the door lets me in, right? But then everyone else is like but all the Black Knights are pissed I'm there. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like I trick one guy, but no one else is like, hey, that guy can't be in here. Or it's or one guy actually doesn't mind me there, and everyone else like didn't get the memo, which is equally funny. I want to see if I can just smash it. I cannot. Bounce. That sucks. That sucks. Ice Wing. There's been Ice Wings there? Clearly, I have no idea. Darn, I wish I had a good solution to my not having any life issue. Darn, that's annoying. I don't want to go all the way down anywhere. I need food. It's not like someone who sells food like closer. Is that food here? Now we're going too deep. It's annoying.